Commodity markets have done relatively little in reaction to the Phase 1 trade agreement between the U.S. and China. Trade expert Jim Bauer in his daily newsletter states that there remains a lot of skepticism regarding the agreement, suggesting it's unclear how China can manage to increase purchases of U.S. agricultural products. The agreements reportedly include $40 to $50 billion in annual purchases of U.S. ag products by China for 2 years. And the fact sheet on the agreement states that the agricultural provisions address structural barriers to trade and will support a dramatic expansion of agricultural products. Larry Kudlow is director of National Economic Council. He says the deal with China is done.
The deal is done. The positive effects on economic growth in this country cannot be exaggerated. That's why I keep calling this growth year, and that's why I think in addition to lowering the tempers and putting some more certainty into it, I think you're going to get a very good business year out of this.
An objection in Mexico won't stop the U.S. House from approving the USMCA. Mexico has promised reciprocal measures regarding labor enforcement inspections. However, AgriPulse reported late Monday that Mexico is going to withdraw the objection. Mexico previously approved the agreement this summer and even approved the modified agreement last week before announcing their concerns. An official with Mexico is in Washington, D.C. this week to talk with lawmakers. A quarterly report to the Farm Credit Administration last week suggests commodity prices will mostly remain low next year. The report cites large global supplies of crops in storage, saying that they limit attractive price opportunities for farmers. For the next 3 years, soybean prices are projected to be roughly $8.50 a bushel, corn at $3.70. And they say livestock and dairy returns are likely to be positive in early 2020. I'm Susan Littlefield, the Rural Radio Network.
This is Jane. She thinks she's just filling her car, but she's also filling the air with cancer-causing toxic chemicals used to boost octane in gas. What doesn't burn in the engine enters the air and your lungs, even your heart and brain. Bad for everyone, especially kids. Ethanol is a natural octane booster, clean burning and non-toxic. More ethanol means less scary stuff in our gas and in the air we breathe. And that makes your choice pretty plain, Jane. American Ethanol, cleaner air for Nebraska.